Yo guys, how's it going? It's Mr. Crayfish. Sorry about that, a little bit late there, but I was getting some music set up for the live stream. We got a little bit of different music this time. We got a little bit of different music this time. No little bit anymore, no little bit. None of this penguin song stuff. We got some, some lo-fi hip-hop. Lo-fi hip-hop. I've used this music once before. In my live streams, and I just thought today we'll just have a little bit of a change. I still like the old other music though; it's my favorite music, but it's a little bit of a change today. Like I've been listening to like the same music for like 70, probably like 76 live streams, but it's the best music anyway. I don't get sick of it at all. I love no copyright sound. But we're going some different music today. But welcome back everybody to some more device mod development. Where we're going to be doing some improvements. I haven't I should make my bed. Hold up, let me make my bed. Let me make my bed. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Let me make my bed. I actually want to. Alright. I'll just keep the live stream going. You can see me in the background, alright? Cha-ching! There we go. Made my bed. Do you listen to NCS? Yeah, I do. That's what we've been listening. That's what we've been listening to like the whole entire every single one of our live streams, dude. I don't even know if that's a legit question. Can you do a stream sometime on how to make apps and have a question and answer? Help and stuff. I'm most likely going to do tutorials on how to make apps for the device mod in the future. Just not at the moment. Alright, so today we're going to be doing some improvements to the device mod. Now, we did release, 0.2.0, the iconic update. If you guys haven't downloaded it, there's a download link in the description below. Go check it out. It is a flippin' awesome update. It is a flippin' awesome update. Contains so much more new stuff, so if you haven't used the device mod in ages, go check it out. Maybe you have, maybe you guys just follow my development streams. In that case, you probably already know about it. But if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, snap it right in half. I don't know how many likes we can aim for, 50 likes in this live stream today, so go ahead, snap it right now. I got my cup of Java too. But I mentioned in the live stream yesterday that I said I would tell you guys about my big news. The big news that I've been, talking about for quite some time now, and I didn't want to say it straight off the bat, because I wanted to wait until everything was final type thing. But before I do say that, I'm gonna say it. I want to say it a little bit. Oh no, maybe I can say it maybe I can say it now. Maybe now is more of an appropriate time to say the big news. What do you guys think? I need you guys to help me out here. So make sure you guys go ahead and do snap that like button, turn on your post notifications, all that stuff, because you guys have made this actually possible for me. So pretty much I know the big news. SPJs probably already does. I mean, I don't know why I'm getting yeah, it's exciting, but pretty much the big news is that I'm actually buying my own house. I'm going to be living in my own house. So things are going to be changing. I'm going to have a new setup real soon. I'm going to have a dedicated room for my whole entire, YouTubing type stuff, which is going to be really awesome. Something I've looked forward to for a very, very long time is actually have my own room. Because right now I'm actually just in my bedroom and it's really small. So it's going to be really, really cool. Not much else to say really, you know. It's gonna be a new exciting future, and I'm gonna, you know, YouTube, like, I feel like, you know, it's gonna be really good for my YouTube as well, because now that I have my own space, I can record whenever. I don't have to worry about, you know, waking up parents or annoying parents or, you know, that type of stuff. I actually now have like a proper space, and I can do everything on my own time. And actually, you know, because that's one thing here is like I've got so many distractions. Even just at home here, I got my parents, got the bird outside. It's not like a comfortable environment. It's not quiet enough, in a way. Sounds weird, but it needs to be like, you know, I feel like when I record, I record when I'm like feeling good to record. Like I can't just say, okay, I'm recording at 10 AM. I'm recording at 12 AM. I have to kind of feel good to record. Hashtag take the bird with you. No, the bird is not coming, even though you could probably hear it from, I don't know, probably, I mean, you could hear it from like 300 meters away. Could probably hear it from like 1 billion meters away. If you successfully move, do you intend on making more frequent main channel videos? Yes, that's kind of like the thing. Like, it's going to be much more frequent main channel videos. Like, I'm not just moving, you know, I'm just going, ugh, and then, like, you know, stuff the main channel. No. Like, the thing is, like, it's going to have more frequent main channel videos. And that's, again, a little bit of part of the reason why I actually wanted to, you know, move into my own house, is because then it's going to really help out with my whole entire work and doing all that jazz. So, look forward to that as well. I want to try and, you know, aim for actually daily videos and doing daily videos all the time. Daily videos, more frequent. Oh, live streams are already quite, you know, on schedule and quite going well. I should. I mean, they're fine. I usually start from 9 to 10 or 9 and 10 AM around those times for my live streams right now, which is a pretty good schedule. Like, I don't have like, oh, I exactly start at this time. But yeah, I want to do some live streams on my main channel. Nothing like crazy. It could just literally be an hour of something. Like, it could be anything. I just want to do it as like a little extra on top thing, because live streams are easy. Live streams are quite easy to do. So it could be like, you know, simply an hour live stream, you know, playing on a server, you know, could be playing on like, you know, a server like Hypixel, or doing something like that on the sponsor server. Stuff like that. So I want to do that as well on my main channel. Like, how I'm trying to figure out how to do it is that there might be a slight schedule change, but it's not anything crazy. So pretty much I would live stream on both channels in the morning. So first I would do my main channel. So I mean, probably not right now, but right now would be when I'm actually live streaming on my main channel. And then afterwards, I would stream on my second channel, because it's a little bit more wind down. It's a little bit later in the night, and it's more of a, you know, chill, relaxed stream. It's when I say it's later in the night, it's later in the night for you guys that live in the US. Because usually right now it's like 4 PM. What time is it if you're in the US right now, guys? Let me know, because it's kind of like afternoon, going towards, you know, nighttime right now. So it'd be a little bit later than, it'd basically be starting now, pretty much. Hi, Mr. Crayfish. I'm not going to be here for the stream most of it. That's alright, Minecraft Doodle. Thanks for coming along, though. I appreciate you. Hey, Dakota. What up, dude? New sponsor from yesterday. I think it was a new sponsor from yesterday or the day before. Welcome to the Cheese and Cracker Squad, dude. Yeah, live in the West. The West is cool. Alright, so it's either 4:25 or 7:25 right now in the US. So, Well, the difference from the East and the West Coast, sorry. So it would be like, it would probably be like either, you know, it could be like 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock for you guys when these live streams actually start. 5 o'clock or 8 o'clock, depending on which coast you live on. So I think it's like 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock for the East Coast. I think, is that right? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know my math too. I don't know my. I'm trying to think like what side of the country sets first. East would set first, and then it's East, then West. All right. So 8 p.m. for East, 5 p.m. for West would basically be the time that this live stream would start. So it's pretty much exactly the same time. Like it'd be starting, because I would stream from 9 a.m. my time to 11, maybe have like a 15 or half an hour gap, and then live stream on my second channel for, you know, the normal 2 hour. Oh, it could even be like just a 1 hour on my main channel and then 2 hours for the second channel. So it's kind of like yeah, that would work. So yeah, look forward to that, guys. It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be completely different. I've just got so many big decisions to make. I've got really a lot of big decisions to make because I'm still going to university, and it's going to be a burden. And the thing is that, you know, what's more important, right? What's important right now? Because, like, you know, let's say in the future I got a job interview and say, I'd be open to be like, I dropped out of university, and they'll probably ask why, and, you know, I would say, like, at the time, or it might not even be, at the time. It's pretty much because, you know, I was working full time, self-employed, paying off a house type thing, and, you know, it was just like more of like it was affecting me type thing. So I've got some big decisions to make, and it's tough. Alright, but anyway, let's go ahead, let's launch up Minecraft. So hopefully you guys like the big news. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I'm really very excited for it, I'll tell you right now. So I don't know when I'll be moving in yet. Sometime in February, so it won't be too long away. It is 6:29 p.m. Why so late? What do you mean? That's like dinner time, dude. You go to bed at like 7? You go to bed at like 7, dude? Alright, so yeah. Yeah, don't ask. Don't ask. Some serious testing going on. Some serious testing. Alright, so pretty much what I was doing is, if we actually go like this, yeah, let's go ahead and grab that out. So basically what I've been doing is changing the message that appears when you actually, you know, interact with like things with the Ethernet cable. So as you can see, it's actually now one of those messages at the top there. So it says info, now select a router, and then just like boom, oh, device limit reached on this router, unfortunately. But yeah, here you go. So success, device linked. So, you know, now that's actually connected. So it's better than what it was before, because before it was like that message down below, and like the thing is like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You guys seen that meme? He's like, I don't know. I think he's like the devil guy or something like that. I don't know. I have an exam in a few hours. Good luck, King Yoshi, with that. Oh my god, I dislike exams. I dislike exams. Is that the thing you asked my permission for? Yeah, I just thought I'd, I'd ask, just to, have the, use that idea. I mean, I guess I was using it already with the notification system, with Endermail. So, because it's not really a stealing idea. Maybe you got the idea from me. But yeah, I really love the whole new 1.12 like toast system. I think that's really cool. It just, it's cool that you can just have messages pop up like that and create your own custom ones very, very easily. Like, it's not even a thing that Forge has to do. It's literally already, it works straight off the bat. So, error, already linked. The unedited video is the funniest video ever. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do like a reaction video to it. I'm gonna have to do like a reaction video to it because it was just 28 minutes of cringe. Oh my god. SBJs, I don't even care. It's not my idea, it's literally just built into Minecraft. But yeah, it's like a lot easier to, interact. Now, I do want to test out, there's a couple of device limit range, device already linked. So, already linked. Alright, let's try this out. I'm just changing around the actual messages for it. I did my first live stream on my YouTube channel today. Are you proud of me? Awesome, dude. Yeah, I am. Live streaming is definitely fun. I love live streaming. That's why I started doing it. There we go. Device already linked. Just gives a bit more descriptive. Message device already linked. Have you seen that weird rendering from behind paintings? Yeah, I've seen that error. I can fix it up, don't worry. I can fix it up. Pretty sure. It might be something to do with Optifine as well, because Optifine always just causes extra glitches that I have to like account for when actually coding. Like, it's kind of annoying. Cray, can you add a coffee machine to the device mod? I've already, I mean, that wasn't, it's just, I've already, oh my god, no. No one likes you. Holy crap. Was that just 2 ads I just experienced there? Or it was 2 ending? That was weird. That was weird. Now, if you guys want retweets, if you guys want shoutouts today, y'all got any of those retweets? If you guys want to get shoutouts today, go over to my Twitter. Link is in the description below and retweet the latest tweet to get a shoutout. And I'll be shouting your name out at the end of the video. I know the normal people go ahead over there. TronXT already retweeting with the cheese. Who is TronXT? Who is TronXT? Reveal yourself with the chat right now, because I never ever see, I never know what your name is in the chat. But yeah, go over there and retweet it, and I'll be shouting your name out at the end of the live stream. How's Mr. Pickles doing? I don't know who Mr. Piggle is. I know who Sir Pickles is, but I don't know who Mr. Piggle is. Somebody else. So if you guys haven't seen this yet, this is pretty cool. So got a new icon thing. Added some more icons. There's a lot of icons. There's technically over 200 icons now. But that's kind of including all this, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 18 per thing. Hold on, let's count. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 70. 70. 112. 128 of these standard icons, and I think there's like at least 100 here. I think. I don't know. There's gonna be 200 icons. There's so many. Oh no, I think it's only 140 icons. No, it's gonna be more than that. Maybe it is 140 icons. I don't know. But I think that's done for those kind of improvements, because I did all these kind of off-camera type thing. I did all these off-camera. So those improvements are kind of done. So I can go ahead and commit them. I can commit it. And I think what we're going to do is actually do some redesigns of applications. So we're going to redo... Oh my god, ads. That's why, you know, it's difficult playing music from YouTube. There's ads all the time. For letters, you should add accents. Yeah, I can do. I think it's cause, yeah, alphabet. Yeah, I think it's because this font that I got, because basically, like, you know, fonts are very iffy. Like, I've basically, like, I didn't want to create a font because it's like, I feel like if I created my own custom font, it's gonna look bad. So like, there's a website out there, I think it's called Open Game Art, which, you know, has like people that have made these like fonts, these bitmap fonts that are like, you know, small resolution, right? That have like, you know, I don't want this anymore, use it for whatever you want, I don't care. You can attribute me, but it doesn't matter if you don't. Obviously I did in the actual, if you actually go to the image file of this, you'll see the actual credits for it. So that's cool. So you can find like stuff like this, and basically this one didn't have like accents or anything like that. I mean, I could add it in, you know, but just because of the size of it, because these needed to be 10 by 10, it's hard to add accents into that already. So I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I need help. Where do you make mods like that? I mean, how do you create mods? It's a little bit more difficult than explaining it in like a one thing sentence. You need to install Forge. You need to install IntelliJ. You need to learn Java programming. It's really not like something like, I'm not discouraging people from learning. You know, if you want, like, you know, that's, if you want to learn programming, go ahead for it. I fully support you. But do you know, like, you know, programming is, you know, I find it fun, but programming is really, you know, you gotta be patient. You gotta get through the bugs. We know all about that. If you're a developer, you know all about that. Getting through the bugs. You know, why is this not working? Oh, it's one value that needs changing. Oh, it should be a 2 instead of a 1. Oh, is this one line of code? Oh. And you spent like the whole entire day trying to fix it up. Get rid of it for those days if you're going to be a developer. Until you learn debugging features, and then you're like, oh, these one-line things don't happen anymore. Alright, so that is that. Improved Ethernet cable experience. What can we call it instead of experience? What's like a guide? I guess it is technically UX. The worst part of modding for me are these JSON files. Once you learn them, you're fine. Like, they're the least of my worries. Now, they used to be annoying when you actually... When I first switched to 1.8, that was annoying. But now they're like, you know, once you learn them, you're fine. You understand them. Okay, Mr. Crayfish, I finally did it. There is a free emoji website you can use for your project. If you need the description of the website, I can give it to you. Notice this. Is it like... It has to be like actually free. Not like, you know... You can download these. Has to mean that it can actually work with my license. Oh my god, go away. I don't want to get copyright. Cray, I can't download mods. Why? Yeah, this doesn't seem like a good start if you want to get into mods if you can't even download the mod. You need to install Forge. I suggest, you know, anybody, you know, that wants to get into Minecraft mods to download, you know, something like the Curse client, Twitch client, because it makes it very easy. Connection. Improved Ethernet cable connection experience. That seems a legitimate commit message. What was your favorite show when you were little? I think we had this question yesterday. I was like, I liked a lot of show. I mean, like, you guys won't understand because, like, I'm from Australia, so we have different shows here. I mean, we do have, like, you know, American shows. But, like, there's, like, here we have, like, a lot of Australian cartoons. So, I think, so, like, there's one called Old Tom. There's one called Old Tom, which is cool. What else? I don't know, maybe you guys watch Kid vs. Cat. That was kind of good. Tracy McBean. Cyber Chase. That was cool, that was show. There's so many shows that, like, I watched as a kid that, like, I can't remember because there's so many. And then, like, I hear the theme song, I'm like, hey, I know that song. A free license is the perfect way to get emoji integrated into your project quick and easily. Hold up 2 seconds.
All of the races are different.
Our nation's first Orcish police officer.
Hey, don't get me stabbed.
Live orcs always gotta be the bad guys.
If this falls into the wrong hands, the whole world is in danger.
My dear buddy. It's time to end this.
I'm out.
Butterfingers, we were doing so good. Right, only on Netflix.
Want an education but don't have the assets or credit for a loan? Study Loans is a new way to get an education without the hardship of undue debt. Study Loans is the first dedicated private student loan provider. Our education partners have high completion and job outcome rates to set you on a course to a better career. We offer loans up to $15,000 with 6 to 48 month terms and competitive interest rates. Our new system lets you pay as you go. If you drop out of the course at any time, you pay back only the fees already used. This gives you a smaller payback amount per month while studying because you only pay on the milestones you activate. With your new qualifications, your job prospects and future look bright. Study Loans helps you get there. Learn more at studyloans.com.au or call 1-800 566 699.
Readings over Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of
Hey, sorry about that. We're just having network issues still. So if you guys remember how I said we're having like internet issues, pretty much I've sourced it down to being a DNS error. So I should have done that ages ago. Pretty much I've sourced it down to a DNS error, and if you actually manually configure the DNS on the computer, the internet doesn't drop out. So it's whatever the router DNS is actually providing, and I'm not sure if we can actually change on here. Don't everyone love advertisements? Oh god, it better not have played like some copyright stuff. Otherwise, you know, this live stream, rest in peace. How long's the stream? I was gone for a bit, so I don't know if you answered or not. How long's the live stream? I don't know. I'm not. Yeah, I wasn't. Kind of like my aim is to not like stream past lunchtime. Like that's when I want to finish all the time. So that would be in like 40 minutes from now. So let's have a look. Broadband. I'm just going into my settings. Like you can't. Let me configure the DNS server, because like the DNS server configured on the actual router is like, you know, provided by our ISP. So I think it actually uses their servers. So let's just make sure I'm not showing any sensitive information right now. Let's see if we can change stuff around. Like I can't change the, you know, DNS server. Current mode. I don't want to mess anything up because I'm live streaming at the moment. And, yeah. DHC DNS server. Yeah. I know, that's probably for the local. Don't want to play with that one. like this router that I'm using, because it's just a basic router, like there's like no options to change it around. There's no options to change it around. Alright, don't worry. I don't think I'm gonna get this. Alright, I'm not going to deal with it right now, but you know, our internet, our router's DNS is not that good, so that's why I have to manually enter one in. Alrighty, go. I'm super tired. See you later, Noodle. Thanks for coming along. If you want to download the mod, the link is in the description below. Pretty easy to find. Hi, you have been visited by the most magical chicken nugget. What is your wish? I wish for $1 billion. Can you grant that to me, please? Please. I need it in my life. Alright, so we're going to switch over to applications. We're going to update from master. We're going to sync it. We're going to sync the code in water. Well, when you move out, you could set up some quality networking. Oh yeah, of course. Quality networking. So the first thing that I got to do is get an Ethernet cable from the router to my actual office. I could even like, yeah, I could even do that. That might work well. I need to get a router to my office. But yeah, I'm going to get fast internet too, so I might even be able to have 60 FPS live streams, guys. 1080p, 60 FPS. Insane. So get ready for that. Like, stream quality is bumping up. When will your sponsors ever be coming out? I'll be coming out soon, Dakota. I'm still, you know, sorting it out, because basically the whitelist, right, I want it to be like automatic. I want it to be automatic. So what I need to do is actually create a way for sponsors and Patreons to be able to kind of log in and enter in their username. Just because that then actually, you know, verifies it. So, got to get that done, and then should be Gucci. Should be Gucci. Alright, let's go. Let's stop that. So, yeah, you notice that just changed just because this none's not updated with that branch, but don't worry too much. So let's go to applications or programs. So what should we fix up first, guys? What should we fix up first? So we have a couple of options here. Hold on, let me get this up. So we could do, well, not boat races, but we can do Note Stash, Pixel Painter, Note Stash, Pixel Painter, Bank, not App Store. We've also got Endermail. We could do. Still got Mine Bay. Haven't touched that in a while. Email. What Eclipse are you using? I'm not using Eclipse, I'm using IntelliJ. What application should we work on, guys? NoteStash, Pixel Painter. Like, we're working on basically a UI redesign. Bank. No one's suggesting anything. NoteStash, Pixel Painter. Work on Mine Bay. Pixel Painter. Mine Bay Sugar is the good stuff. Mine Bay. I don't want to work on Mine Bay right now, so it's either NoteStash, Pixel Painter, or Endermail. They're kind of the three applications right now. Because if we're going to work on like Mine Bay, it's going to be like a dedicated live stream. So Pixel Painter, Pixel Painter, Pixel Painter, Pixel Painter, NoteStash. Mine Bay needs a functional bank system. It already does. It utilizes the bank utility class, which is used by the bank application. So already got a functional bank system, my dudes. Pixel Painter. A lot of people say Pixel Painter. I guess I could work on Pixel Painter. Alright, so let's just get an idea of what we're dealing with here right now. Let's load up the game. What's with this hair right here? What is this? It's because I don't put a lot of wax in my hair. Mr. Crayfish was slain by Etho. Never happen. That will never happen. Make the bank accept other things like diamonds and iron. The thing is, it's hard to... I know, I'll probably make it a config option, but like... I know who Etho is. I've been watching him for ages. Maybe improve NoteStash and you could print the document into a book. Yeah, I want to do something like that. Do you intend on adding a text box between 0 and 255 value for RGB so it can be more precise? Oh, I know what you mean, yeah. Well, I am still working on the new color picker component that we worked on a while ago for the actual Pixel Painter. One of the main things I want to do is actually improve the whole kind of layout of Pixel Painter. So like, as you can see right now, I got like, you know, tons of different screens. I want to have like, when you actually first open it up, it brings up kind of like a menu like this with all your pictures, your recent pictures. It'll have new, browse, delete type stuff. I have to look into that. And I have icons as well, because as you can see, we built this back in the day when we didn't have the icon system. So basically we're using words instead. And I think icons are such a better thing to use in these certain cases. Icons, words with icons, even better. Bring back Cray coins? Maybe. It was only like a really simple mod. Oh my god, get out of here. I dislike ads. The paintbrush is not in full. What? Y'all non-believers, you don't know the way. Change me so you can know the way. You don't know do you know the way? Do you know the way? I can't do it. Do you know the way? Alright, so envision this. I need like a paintbrush. I want the pixel painter. It means we're going to improve the standard layout. Icon. We could hack that. Icon size. It's hard to. Could you add a maximize option for Windows to take up full computer screen? It's not that easy. It's not that easy, my dude, because like, okay, expand it. The code, like how it's all coded is it's all kind of absolute positioning. So I'm not sure if you, it's absolute positioning. So all these value, the position of it is hard coded. It can't be, it's not like a dynamic position where it's like more of like a percentage type thing. And same goes for like width and everything else. It's not responsive, I'll tell you that right now. It's not responsive at all. So, you know, I don't think there's ever going to be a full screen option. Because it's not built like that. Keep getting stupid ads. Are you aiming for Pixel Painter to be more like Paint or Photoshop? Not really. I'm just like wanting to redesign the actual user interface. So, alright. So let's get rid of that. So it's going to be a new standard layout. Of course, main menu. Oh, I've already read that one out. You should make the screen a bit bigger. It looks small. I can't make it any bigger. What do you mean? Like this, you can't do anything about it. Can't do anything about it. Because like, you gotta think about, this is not, this is, oopsie. This is currently 720p. If you actually made this smaller, you can see things start to get funky. And this is like the default size that Minecraft launches up at. So it's already like pretty much filling up the whole entire screen. You get me. You get me. Like, it's possible for me to actually have a dynamic size. There just has to be like a minimum. Now I've lost my 720p. I've lost my 720p. Doesn't matter. I close it off. I close that thing off. Alright, so when you get rid of this. Alright, let's have a look. Can you check out me mod again? I added tons of more stuff. If you do, I will give you a special version that is not out yet. And I can check it out. What have you added to it? Oh, what have you added to it, dude? You might do that soon. Load / new screen. So yeah, the new look, guys. It's the new look. What should the icon be? What should the icon be, guys? I was like, do I do the home? Do I do the home thing, or do I do like something fresh? What icon should we use? Pixel Painter. I don't actually have a paint icon. I could use like the home, but like, do I want to keep using that? Tons of stuff, so like I can't tell you in one message. It would take 2 messages. Well, you pretty much just wrote 2 messages there, dude. Just list off some list the items. Pixel Painter. I don't know. Do we just use the home icon? Where is it? There. My beautiful home icon. One TV. Alright, let's just do home. 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 Grove Street. Home. Well, at least it was until I fudged everything up. Home. So I think it's... go away. Keep me in the same YouTube red. Cray, create a bill icon. Already done that, dude. Already 100 years ahead of you, dude. Already 100 years ahead of you. I'm ahead of everybody. I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of your ideas. I'm already living in 3018. I'm already living in 3018. I'm ahead of you. 1 TV, 2 consoles, 3 controllers, 4 working kind of desktop, 5 fix some bugs, 6 more. Alright. Who wants us to check it out? I think it might be cool. I will need to send you a special version. Alright. It's pretty broken if it is. Huh. I feel like I just lost like so much there. Maybe 130. That's a bit better. Get rid of that. Get rid of the kind of logo bit here. Like all my applications are going to look the same because I like consistency. Accept my friend request on Discord so I can send you a special copy. Where is it? I don't think I allow people to. You know, I don't accept friend requests on. I've turned off friend requests, so you're gonna figure out another way to send it to me. No, get away, ad. Nobody likes you. Hi Cray, I was wondering if you played the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. I make maps and add-ons for that version. Nah, I don't really play with the Bedrock just because I can't mod like I do with this. Cray, I was wondering, I never read that one. Can I join a private Discord group? Why don't you make a private Discord on your server? A private channel. So what we're gonna do, might replace like these with icons instead. It's easy. Are you calling add-ons mods? I don't know, I think that's what he's calling it. I'll tell you, add-ons right now, whatever they are in Bedrock Edition aren't mods. Not mods that we know. They're literally just changing around values. And I hate it because it's so bad. like, oh yeah, it's cool. You can change around a model of the horse or something like that and create a unicorn, but like, it's so undocumented. It's so bad. It's so buggy, and they're like, I just don't get why, like, okay, that whole add-on system that they created, like, why would they just release that? Like, it's so bad. Like, even I hated working with it. Like, it's just, it's so bad. Because, like, half the time it would just, like, not work. And it doesn't make sense at all. Alright, I'll check it out later then, SBJs. Also, Bedrock looks and feels weird. Before they made it Minecraft, they should have made it look a little better. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like, you know, normal PC edition. Like, this is just vanilla right here. Oh no, it's the vanilla look and feel, sorry. It doesn't look anything like this. It looks like, you know, the water's different. I dislike the water look. It just doesn't feel like it. That's why I don't like it. What are those question marks on the taskbar? Oh, they're just applications that don't have an icon yet. So they get defaulted with a basically a, you know, a missing icon. Get out of here. Ads. People find ways to make custom item using unused datas and doesn't replace anything. Ah, yeah. But it's like so hacky, it's incompatible. It's not like Forge where actually, you know, Forge is designed to make everything compatible with each other, so nobody's actually modifying the code base. Because let's say two people created a mod for Bedrock Edition and they both override the same data space, then there you go, there's a problem already. That doesn't happen in Forge. So modding in those versions is like very hacky. And you can't do anything this crazy. I mean, you can actually, but it's a lot more difficult. And I'm not investing my time in that. Because the other editions will never be like the PC edition unless they implement a proper API. Alright, so yeah, SPG as I said, I'm gonna check it out. You don't need to spam me 24/7. PC doesn't even have a proper modding API. It's a third party making it. I mean, it doesn't have, like, you know, a proper one, but it's basically a proper one. You know, give me an API like Forge for the Bedrock Edition, and I'll happily develop for it. They hired Dinnerbone to make the API, but it's never finished. Basically. Why have I been put in timeout? You was just spamming random stuff non-related to the stream. Like you typed in, I think you typed in like 1 trillion into the chat for no reason. Yeah, they probably forgot by now. What's an API? Mojang, pretty much. What's an API? Oh, Coca-Cola ad. Let's not play the song. Like pirate speak from Minecraft. I don't know. You typed in like 1 trillion into the chat for no reason. Where has boat races gone? I totally forgot that was a thing at one point. It's still there, it's just not registered. Because I'm not working on it at the moment. So what can we do here? So like this is a thing, so if we go new, save, test. So I think it's, why hasn't it come up with anything? Why doesn't it register anything? Load pictures. It displayed for like a second. Oh, I know why. It didn't actually even have a name. There we go. So now we've got that. But it's not good enough. It's not good enough. So I want to have something like this. So item list. We can do, what does this do? Picture. Picture. I think it's like 25 from the top. Ads go away. Cheese hype. How much longer is the stream going to go? Probably not too long because I didn't want to. Probably like 15 minutes more. They did say soon that we'll be able to make custom blocks and mobs. But like the thing, okay, yeah, okay, they're probably gonna make it so they can make custom blocks and mobs. But like, how advanced are we talking about here? Are we talking about just a couple of JSON files and that's it? Or are we actually talking full-fledged, you know, can I code custom actions, can I handle this however I want? Because like, if you're gonna make modding, it's gonna be like, if you're gonna get the ultimate control, it's gonna be through, you know, actual code. Which I feel like, if they're, because I know for a fact they're developing an API for the console and that type of editions, but they're not gonna allow people to do code. I'll tell you that right now. They're probably not like likely gonna let people do code. It's all gonna be through a system, and like you're gonna have to, like, let's say you create an entity, you're gonna have like a set of defined behaviors. You can't code your own like custom behaviors. Like you'll be able to do basic things, but you're not going to be able to do advanced things. Like there's never going to be a tech mod. There's never going to be a tech mod for the console edition. There's going to be basic things like adding in a new mob, making it spawn particle effects out of it. Like you can do a lot of things with just that alone, but like still, can you create a GUI? I don't know. Like it's just, yeah. But I'm thinking about it, it's like, I don't know, just on CurseForge alone, I think there's like 25,000. I think that's what it is, CurseForge. Just have a look. For Minecraft, right? 36,500 mods. That's a lot of mods. And would half of them, would all the popular ones work for that system? No. Like, I could probably do my furniture mod without the functionality. Just like, yeah, just basic things. Like, none of this stuff, none of the popular mods that you guys want would ever be on the console edition. Or whatever edition. Like, if they're like, you know, if there was mods, I would definitely, like, if it was able to, you know, create furniture, create custom models, I'd definitely create my furniture mod for the actual console edition and that type of stuff. So, yeah. Hey, what up, DD? How you doing? Let's do a cheese hype right now, guys. Let's do a cheese hype. We haven't done a cheese hype yet. But if you guys are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. Snap it right in half. And we're going to do a cheese hype right now. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat and then post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. So let's go ahead. Let's do it now. 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype. Boom. I don't have any cheese at the moment, but cheese hype right now, guys. Doom. Sponsors, go ahead, use your custom emoji. Use your custom emoji. Hey my god, Minecraft Doodler. Cheese hype and a half. Cheese hype and a half there. The cheese hype is real. Oh god, alright, that's enough cheese hype now. That is enough cheese hype. Oh, I didn't even send mine off. That was insane. Probably the craziest cheese hype ever. So, visible items, let's do 5 for now. Set. We're just gonna do render util render draw string clipped hello. Text. Is there like a yeah, it's not gonna like me for that. Cheese time infinite. I have a dream. What? The stream lagged out. Yeah, it's probably your side. I haven't dropped it all. Cracker hype. Oh. Cracker hype. Alright, so that's kind of good so far. Kind of. key word there, kind of. Definitely needs to be wider though. So I want to do something similar to what it was before. Because I feel like got to keep the kind of feel. The feel of Pixel Painter. That it was before, because like it was completely fine. It was an iconic duo. It was an iconic duo of a combination of the user interface there. It was iconic. It was an iconic combination of components. You tire Cray? Have ammonia? What do you mean? I don't have ammonia. I just go to bed late. Hello, back from getting lunch. Hey, what up, coffee? What did you get for lunch, dude? Drink me if you're tired. Oh my god. Oh god. We can actually modify this one. So we can just do icons dot plus. Icons plus. Tide Pods. Oh my god. What a dead meme already though. The Tide Pod meme didn't last for long. I think the best meme, I think the meme of the month is probably the Uganda Knuckles. I reckon that has to be the meme of the month. There's Uganda Knuckles. You know, that was like a meme in December, so we're pretty late to it. We're pretty late to the game. Because I swear it just like blew up overnight. Just recently. Got a couple of last week. Yeah, Knuckles killed Tide Pods. Yeah, it really did. I mean, I wasn't the biggest fan of the Tide Pod meme. I didn't think it was that funny. I think I disliked the Italian meme. That I hated that one. I just thought it wasn't funny. Because like after a while, like it just died, but then like everybody just continued on with it. So like they were just like literally doing everything they could find to like kill the meme. Like I think like the first photo I saw was funny, then the second one was like, oh okay, it's not that good of a meme. Like Italian meme. Almost got it. Let's have a look at, because my whole idea is I want to make it like consistent type thing. Where do I use that? Application market. I use it there, but I don't want the same. Maybe I do need the 5 gap. Just means I gotta make the window a little bit bigger, I think. 1 pixel bigger. Almost closed off actual Minecraft there. Do you guys see that? Always closed off Minecraft. I need to make the window smaller too, I think like. Usually I don't know what to do. Maybe that. Do I have like a 5 padding around it? And maybe with more buttons it would look a little bit better. Go away. I once stepped on a crayfish on accident. Sad day. Stepped on my cousin. Crayfish, will you respond to me if he loves his fans? I did respond to you, dude. Keep up the streaming. Cheers, dude. Appreciate you. What icon do we use here? Load. Oh, there's actually a load icon. Load. Is it like a new... Could do like new file. Oh my god. I think this has to be bigger. Otherwise it looks weird. Let's try 50. Oh, too much. Could even go 1 off it. Yeah, looking pretty good so far. I don't think the picture looks good though. I think it should be more like a, you know, a plus. We need like a delete con. Trash. Trash icon. Ah, God, I keep getting like crappy ads. Guess what seed has an island spawn that I made? I don't know, crayfish. What do we have in the original Pixel Painter? In the load layout. Save, browse. So how I'm figuring about the interface now is that I need to fix up the trash icon, I dislike it. It's just because it blends in with the actual button. What is a load icon? Still the same thing. Maybe like instead of that we do the import icon. Might look a little bit better. So we can do something like, you know, button new picture dot set tooltip. Say new picture. Create. Start. Start a new masterpiece. And then instead of taking it to a different layout, what we're going to have is actually a pop-up. And then after we close that pop-up, then should we, you know, change the actual layout here. And then this would be button load picture set tooltip. Load external. Load. Load a picture from file. Load a picture from the file browser. It's annoying because like that thing, right? It's like super duper long. From file. Say open a picture from file. Bird, I heard it. Yeah, if you guys ever hear the bird, post the bird emoji in the chat. Oh god, it's going off now. The bird is going off. See you later, Ocelot. Thanks for coming all around. What we might do is actually go ahead and check out the special edition of this mod. Should hopefully work in here. Let's hope it works. Alright, whatever. Yeah, all you guys could hear it. Then I owe you like 10,000 bird emojis. New recipes unlocked. Check your recipe book. Ah, yeah, unlock the recipes straight off the bat. That's interesting. So this is the mod. This is the mod that somebody, or add-on somebody has made, which is pretty cool. Looks like they've added a bunch of new things, different remodels. They got these headphones, which are really cool. You can get a rainbow one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like these headphones, they're pretty cool. They work really well with the device mod. Yeah, you like gaming, like damn, look at me. I'm a gamer. Who doesn't want to have the best gaming setup ever? But there's like microphones. Right click on a computer to link it. Oh. Yeah, la 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 la. The man's not hot, hot. I tell the man's not hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot. Looks like there's some extra stuff. What is this? Oh. It's like a book. Ah, it is a book. Oh, it's a game. Ah. Super Minecraft Bros. It's kind of cool. But yeah, this is probably one of the cool things about this add-on. We're gonna have a look at this now. Is that the computer? Yeah. Put it up here. It's is it back to front? I don't know. Phone. What's that? Oh, it's the TV. Yeah. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? You guys see that? It's free real estate. It's free real estate. Oh my god. Wow. What is that? Must have been like a meme or something. Yeah, I'll need a TV. But download this mod. We got some consoles as well. How these work? Don't think they work yet. I like the little switches. They're kind of cool. They're kind of cool. I don't think that works yet. I think it's just like a... Let's have a look. But yeah, these guys did something similar with the whole thing here with that. Is that bigger than normal? Let's have a look. Oh no, I haven't got it in this version, don't worry. So there's this. Hold on, let's have a turn the sound on. Oh, the sound's really weird now. Oh god. Who created the sound? The other sound was better. This one sounds really low quality. Yeah, that's one loud computer. Sounds like he recorded it himself. Whoa! Have a look at that. That's so cool. Is there a shutdown button? So it pretty much utilizes like the actual the normal kind of. Is that bigger? Oh, it is ever little teeny bit bigger. Huh. Who did it better? Who did it better? Who did it better, they say. But yeah, I'm not sure. Did they? I don't know if they copied the code or not. Yeah. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. Yeah. I don't know what that was. Not good. Not good. Load the game back up again. You'll see a black screen here for a second, guys. I gotta go. Bye, Cray. See you later, Play Dash. So this is like. Is that not linked? Don't know. Ah. I like just looking at this bit with the boot screen. Oh my god. I wonder if this is like using my code or not. Okay, can't even tell. Yeah, it's very buggy. Crashed again. Cray, you're literally the coolest Minecraft YouTuber. Always got smart ideas and positive things to say. Thank you, Steve and Stevie. Appreciate that nice comment you said there. Yeah, I always like, you know, I don't know. I guess that's how I've been, you know, that's how I grew my YouTube channel. That's how I grew my YouTube channel, with having, you know, kind of like, you know, creating unique and original content. Like, there have been like points where I've like, you know, I've seen somebody's idea, but like I've built on top of it, you know. I don't just be like, oh, I'm copying this thing, you know. I've actually built on top of it, extended it, And like if that does happen, I always like, you know, I mention it. Oh, you can connect that to a router. Eh. So let's check. Does that actually HDMI cable? Ah, it is actually connected. That's cool. Yeah, it doesn't. It shouldn't have Wi-Fi. It shouldn't have Wi-Fi. That should be like turned off. Like it should be a different icon there. Click a game. It doesn't save. Don't have a device linked to this laptop. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Karaoke thing doesn't work. Can't even close it now. Yeah, it's a bit buggy. Another thing, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Some of this stuff doesn't like to close. I'm gonna crash it if I open that up. I'm not gonna crash it with that, but none of that works. It does. The close button does work. It's just not all of it. Can't click the top of it. You can only click this like bottom half of like right down here. Very strange. Not even that works. Text area doesn't work. Everything's broken. Everything's broken. But I said I was going to check that out. I'm actually going to end off this stream right now. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today. I know it was like kind of like a more relaxed back live stream, but tomorrow I think I'm going to do some gun mod development tomorrow, I think. So get ready for that. Gun mod development. Because I want to continue working on that. So I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts right now for you guys. Let's have a look. So a big shout out to Tron XT. Big shout out to Tron XT, and then let's go to the actual retweets here. So we got a shout out to Haunted Corpse, Extra, Lillian, SB Joes, Aldo, YGamer600, and Donovan. Sorry, Donovan. Thank you guys for the support there over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys for that. But yeah, that's going to end up this live stream today. Make sure you go ahead, snap that like button in half. Turn your post notifications so you get notified when I go live. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.